Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this video I am discussing about pertussis or whooping cough. So the name is telling that whooping cough how it is. The organism is responsible for pertussis is Bordetella pertussis. So Bordetella pertussis is a gram-negative cocci bacilli. We know that it is responsible for pertussis. What are the clinical features or patient will be present with? There are three stages. First stage is catarrhal phase, that is last 1 to 2 weeks. And the second phase is paroxysmal phase, lasts 2 to 3 months. And the third stage is convulsion phase, lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Now the features are: in catarrhal phase there is mild fever, cough, rhinorrhea, conjunctival injection and excessive lacrimation. I am again repeating, in catarrhal phase there is mild fever, cough, rhinorrhea, conjunctival injection, excessive lacrimation. Now about the paroxysmal phase. There is beginning during second weeks of illness, there is a paroxysmal cough, whooping cough and inspiratory stridor. So the paroxysmal phase which begins during the second weeks of illness, there is paroxysmal cough and whooping like cough, and there is inspiratory stridor, and it lasts 2 to 3 months. That's why pertussis is used to call that 100 days cough. Now about that convulsion phase, that is lasts 1 to 2 weeks. There is gradual reduction in symptoms. So this stage there is gradual reduction of all the features occur. So if a patient is present with like history of cough, there is subconjunctival hemorrhage, excessive lacrimations, and the cough nature is whooping like and duration is long, then that is we can say pertussis or whooping cough. Now about treatment. Treatment is mainly macrolides. These are antibiotics. Macrolides name we know: erythromycin, azithromycin and clarithromycin. Mainly azithromycin is preferred in infant less than 1 month. I am again repeating the treatment portions of pertussis. The treatment of pertussis is macrolides antibiotic, and the macrolides antibiotics are erythromycin, azithromycin and clarithromycin. Among them, azithromycin is preferred in infants less than 1 month. This is all about pertussis or whooping cough. Please do subscribe and share Dr. Amma's Medicine YouTube channel. Thank you.